Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to review the Realme mobile gaming triggers. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to test this kind of demonstration. Is it any good or not? So I've been using these gaming triggers for the past I think close to 5 days of usage, and these are exactly the gaming triggers which is available in the Realme website. In case if you want, you can buy from the Realme website, which is priced around 699 rupees. Let's see how good they are actually and what are the things you should know definitely before actually you buy the device. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video by playing the Battlegrounds mobile game in the Realme GT device. This is a Realme GT, so which has got the 90 FPS by default update. And let me try to keep the positions of these gaming triggers. So it is pretty simple friends, you just need to clip it, that's it. So let me try to clip it here. On the back side you can see it doesn't damage any kind of camera at all because there is a soft type of material which is present on this top of this one, so it doesn't affect any kind of camera, anything. It won't cause any kind of scratches, so you should not be worried. So even if it goes on the top of the camera as well, so there's some kind of protection is going on at this moment on this back panel. Let me just show you, at least you'll be able to have this kind of idea. This is a soft one, as you can see. This is a soft one which is present, it's not the odd one, so no need to worry about this kind of camera getting scratched and all those details. Let me to click save and let's go backside. And let's start the gameplay friends without wasting any time. I'll try to keep slightly kind of volume. So let me just show you how is the gameplay experience. And you will definitely get some kind of tactile feeling as well when you are trying to tap it. That's one good advantage which I did like, the tactile feeling. Let me to tap once again. I'll try to show you. And the reaction is also an instant reaction, so nothing much major problems regarding this triggers reaction. Sensitivity is also really good, not bad. So friends, it will be definitely a good advantage. I can definitely say that for the gamers. As you can see friends, overall the gameplay looks really good while playing. Let me just slightly increase the volume so I can actually focus on the gameplay. As you can see friends, for me I did enjoy using the triggers. So yes, I did like the triggers because it's very instant reaction is it's very fast and it's reacting very fast. Let me just slightly keep this FPS count somewhere in the bottom. So the response seems to be working pretty good. The response of this one, the gaming triggers, nothing much problem regarding the response. And the weight is also not that heavy friends. Let me try to check the weight of this one. So how much the weight will be there. So you can have a clear idea of what is going on. So the weight is also really very low. I think close to maybe 10 grams as you can see. So 10 grams and 20 grams overall combined together. So 20 grams will be the weight of the phone will be increased a little bit, but not that kind of not a huge difference I would say, but still it's really good advantage friends for the gamers who are actually plan to buy the phones for the gaming purpose, and definitely you can have this kind of triggers which works instant. And I like this kind of tactics, this kind of sound as well, which is really good, this kind of sound having experience. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts about this gaming triggers. Are you interested to buy one or not? Let me know in the comment section below what do you think. But for me, maybe if in case if you plan to game most of the time, then definitely it's better to have this kind of alternate options. As you can see friends, it's really good playing in the triggers. So with the triggers, it's really perfect. So for me, there is no issues regarding the gaming triggers. While gameplay, no problems. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this friends. This is a quick review which I thought of just demonstrating. So which might be useful for the viewers who are actually planning to buy this phone. So, so let me know in the comment section friends in case if you have any other doubts on this gaming triggers. That's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and this is a quick review on the gaming triggers, Realme gaming triggers using on this device. And if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comments section friends, definitely I'll be able to solve your doubts. And this is a quick review, and thank you for watching, stay tuned for more updates. And I do have the Realme Cooling Clip Neo as well, which I did order. I'll like to make separate video, is it helpful or not for me while gaming, so make sure to stay tuned. And see you in the next video only, and stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off, bye.